Hello and welcome again back to your channel. So today we are starting exercise 3.2 of chapter number 3, pair of linear equation and two variable. So in last video we have done exercise 3.1. There was 3 questions of graph. Hope you have done all the questions and hope you have tried some more questions related to that. So today we are starting exercise 3.2. So let us start from first question. So our first question is, from the pair of linear equation in two variable, form a pair. You have to form a pair of linear equation and find their solution graphically. So we have to form the linear equation. What is said? 10 students of class 10th. So there are total 10 students. Okay, 10 students of class 10th take part in mathematics quiz. So if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, so we have to form two equations. So they are saying girls and boys both are there. So according to question, total number of students. So that first we will say let the number of girls is equals to x. Let the number of girls is equals to x and the number of boys is equals to y. So first very first they said there are total 10 students. So we have to assume that also. X plus y, girls plus boys, both are 10. This is our first equation. Then what they are saying? See the question. They are saying if the number of girls. So according to question, number of girls. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Is 4 more than the number of boys. Clear? So this is the second equation. Find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. You have to find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. That means you have to find the value of x and y. Okay. So form equation from here. So x minus y equals to 4. This is your equation number 2. So this is equation 1 and 2. Pair of linear equation in two variables. A is 1, B is 1, C is 0. So let us find in rough. If the graph will come intersecting, they will come parallel or they will come coincident. So A1 is 1, A2 is 1. So 1 upon 1. B1 is 1, B2 is minus 1. 1 upon minus 1. 10 upon 4, C1 upon C2. I think no one is equal because 1 is equals to minus 1. It is not equal. If A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, so graph will come intersecting. So the graph will come in, solution will be 1. So one value of x and one value of y. Definitely therefore the number of girls and boys will be there. So let us find the solution roughly first. X plus y is equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 4. Add these two equations. 2x is equals to 14. So x is equals to 7. Same. Substitute the value of x in any one. 7. So 7 plus y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 3. So our solution will be 7 comma 3. So in 7 comma 3 the graph will intersect. This roughly we have found. So no need to write these things. Okay. So from here we have to form the graph. So one for this, one table for this you have to make. So draw the graph table for the first equation for x plus y equals to 10. So we will take value of x and y, and as you know one solution we will take 7 comma 3 because it is common in both. For second equation x minus y equals to 4. Again we will draw one table, and in this table we will find the value of x and y, and one of the solution is 7 comma 3. Other point we will take with our own because the value is coming 7 3. This is 10 and this is 4. So we have to put small values as 1 2 3 4 5 8 10 like this. We don't have to put 10 20 100. These type of value will not put for x and y. So for the first equation let us put x is equals to 5. So if x is equals to 5, what y will come? Send 5 this side. 10 minus 5, 5. So y is 5. X is equals to minus 5. So x is equals to minus 5. It will go plus 5. Y is equals to 15. X is equals to 0. Y is equals to 10. Y is equals to 0. X is equals to 10. Okay. for the second one equation, x minus y is equals to, when y is equals to 0, x is equals to 4. When x is equals to 0, 0 minus y is equals to 4. So y is equals to minus 4. Solve in rough. Okay. X is equals to, put any of the value, y is equals to 10. 10 will put, it will go that side, plus 10 it will become 14. Okay. And x is equals to, you will put 2. So 2 will go that side, minus 2, 2. Y is equals to minus 2. Okay. Like this you will get the value. So draw the graph for this. How you will draw? You will just take a points. 0. What is this? 5, 7, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this you can take. And you can take like this also. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Like this also you can take. Okay. So here 1 will be there, half of it. Here 3, here 5, here 7. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, up to so on. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. So keep the value for first equation 5, 5. 5 is here, comma 5 will come somewhere here. Minus 5, 15. Minus 5, 15 will come somewhere here. 7, 3. 7, 3 will come somewhere here. And 0, 10. X is 0, y is 10 will come somewhere here. And 10, 0, 10, 0 will come somewhere. So the line will come like this. 10, 0, it will pass through this. For second, 4, 0, this you will write, this is first equation, x plus y is equals to 10. And this first straight line, 4, 0, 4, 0, first line, 0, minus 4, x is 0, y is minus 4, this, the graph will come like this. So from the 2 points only we can come to know. So this will intersect somewhere there, this is 7, this will come here 7. Exactly if you are drawing graph, so here 7 will come and here 3 will come. So this will intersect at 7, 3. Like this your first question will be done. Let us move to second part of the first question. Try it yourself. If you try, why this question will not be clear. Okay. Practice makes some man perfect. First time if you are not able to solve, second time, third time, definitely it will. Okay. These are not very tough. Second. Okay. What is our second part? 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. दोनों को मिला के cost 50 है. तो let the cost of one pencil and the cost of one pen, x and y. Let, this is second part of first question. Let the cost of a pencil is equals to x and the cost of a pen is equals to y. So what is given? 5 pencil and 7 pens. Cost of 5 pencil according to question. Cost of 5 pencil, 1 pencil cost x. So 5 pencil cost 5 into x. And 7 pens. 7 pens bhi kharidi hai. Okay, 7 into y is 50. So together their cost is 50. Whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So definitely they will intersect because you have to find the cost of 1 pencil. See, 5 upon 7 is equals to 7 upon 5. They are not equal. So intersecting line a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So at what point they will intersect, you have to find. To find in rough you can find 5x or is 7x. So here if I multiply it with by 7 and here with 5. So let us see. So it will come 5. I am multiplying it by 5. Okay, this by 5. 5 5s are 25x plus 5 7s are 35y is equals to 5 5s are 25, 250. Then 1 I want this, so I am multiplying this by 7. Okay, 7 sevens are 49x plus 7 fives are 35y equals to 7 into 46. 6 sevens are 42, carry over 4, 28, 32. So if you solve it, minus cancel out, 5 6 7 8 9 4, and this 2, but minus sign will come, x equals to 2 7, okay, minus 72. So x is equals to minus 72 upon minus 24. So this will come 3. Okay, ठीक है 3. So x is equals to 3. Substitute the value in one of the equation. 5 into 3 plus 7y equals to 50. 15 plus 7y equals to 50. 7y is equals to 50 minus 15, 35. 7 5s are 35. So y is equals to 5. Okay, so your line will intersect at 3, 5. This is roughly you know, so that your graph will not become wrong. So 3, 5 is your solution. Okay, 3, 5. So in rough tell them. Now question here, draw the table for this. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. You will write for this one table for this value of x and y, and second table for 7x plus 5y equals to 46. One table you will draw for this, because for drawing the graph everybody knows you have to draw the table. It's very compulsory because you have to find the coordinate. One by one, 3, 5 will come in both. 1 is common in both. Okay, so find the value of these. So what we should do, we have to keep the value 10, 20 like this. Okay, so that here is 50. If I put 10 5s are 50. Okay, so 10, value of x is equals to 10. So it will become 50. 50 minus 50, 0. So y will become 0. Okay. Now I want the number which is divisible by 7. 35. So 50 minus 15. तो यहाँ पर 3 कर लेते हैं. x is equals to 3. Already done. ठीक है. Some other value we can substitute. We can substitute the value any you want. What you want? 5 to get 10. तो ये 40 हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा. 7 1 is 7 नहीं होगा. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 7 5 is 7. तो कुछ भी रख लो. It can come in decimal. 5 2 is, if I put 2, 5 2 is 10. ठीक है. -2 रख लो. ठीक, -2. So this will become -10. इधर जाके +10 हो जाएगा, तो this will be +60. +60 upon 7, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 4 is left. 8.6, something like this. Okay, so here again you can take some here also. If I am taking some value, you want here, okay, 7 minus करेंगे नहीं. 7 2 is 14. 7 8. 7 8 is 56. ठीक है. 8 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो. x is equals to 8. 7 8 is 56. यहाँ आके -56 हो गया. तो this will become -10. तो y is equals to -2. ठीक. ऐसे ही you can put any one more value. अगर मैं y is equals to +2 रख दूँ तो 10 हो जाएगा. तो 46 minus 10, 36. Okay, so 7 5s are 35. 5.1 something. Okay, now draw the graph. What you want? 8 3 2 2 5 like this. So what we can take 1 1 gap. So we'll take 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this. -1 -2 -3 -4. Here also 1 2 3 4 and -1 -2 -3 -4. So first is 10. You know one column is equals to 1. One unit is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is 0.5. 0.1 0.2 0.3 0.4 0.5 0.9. Okay. 10 comma 0. 10 will here. 0 will here, 1 point will come here. Minus 2 comma 8.6, minus 2 comma 8.6, यहाँ कहीं 8 आएगा, 0.6, तो ये हो गया 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 8.6, ठीक है ये. So 1 point is here. So if you join the points, the graph will come like this. ठीक है. Same way 8 comma minus 2, 8 comma minus 2 like this. 5.1 comma 2, 5.1, 0.1 ये हो जाएगा, comma 2, comma 2 will come somewhere here. Okay. And first point is 8 comma minus 2, this, and 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5. So the graph is coming like this. ठीक है. So it will intersect at, it will come definitely here, it will intersect at 3 comma 5. So like this your graph will come. Okay. So draw the graph and then do the first question. Okay. Now come to second question. This is the first question of graph. Find the solution graphically. So you have to find the solution graphically. Now let us move to second question. Okay, what is our second question? See, second question is on comparing the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. So we have to compare A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, and you know the relation I told you in previous one. Okay. So comparing this, find out the line representing our linear equation are intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. क्या होंगी? Intersecting होंगी, parallel होंगी या coincident होंगी. First part 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0, very easy. And second is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. So this is the first equation. A1 upon A2 is 5 upon 7. B1 upon B2 is minus 4 upon 6. C1 upon C2 is 8 upon minus 9. See, 2 to the 4, 2 3 is the 6. So these two are not equal. Okay, so A1 upon, because A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So therefore it is intersecting. Second one, second part, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0, and same way 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals to 0. A1 upon A2, 9 upon 18, B1 upon B2, 3 upon 6, C1 upon C2, 12 upon 24. 3 3 is 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 1 upon 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 1 upon 2, 12 1 is 12, 24, 1 upon 2. That means 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. So because A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. जब तीनों equal होते हैं तो क्या होता है? The lines are coincident. So therefore the lines are coincident. Okay. So you do, the third part is left, that you do same like this yourself, because you know it is very simple. You have to do like this. And for the parallel, what is the condition? A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. Fine. So these are the three conditions. Now the third question comes. Very important. On comparing A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. यहाँ भी compare करना है. Find out whether the following are consistent or inconsistent. I told you what are consistent. Consistent means which have a solution. Inconsistent means which do not have a solution. तो किस line का solution नहीं होगा? Which are parallel. बाकी उन दोनों का solution होगा क्योंकि वो कट कर रही है एक लाइन पे, और coincident होगी तो infinite में नहीं solution होते हैं. Okay. So let us see the first part. 3x plus 2y equals to 5, and 2x minus 3y equals to 7. A1 upon A2, 3 upon 2, B1 upon B2, 2 upon minus 3, C1 upon C2, 5 upon 7. So C1, if you bring it this side, if you bring it this side, this is minus 5 upon minus 7, minus 2 minus cancel. Meaning will come same. These two are not equal, these two are not equal. That means what is it is? intersecting, because a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. If it is intersecting, therefore it has how many solution? One solution. Therefore consistent, इसलिए क्या हो जाएगी? Consistent हो जाएगी. ठीक है? Take the second part only. Okay, so second part is 2x minus 3y equals to 8 and 4x minus 6y equals to 9. a1 upon a2, 2 upon 4, b1 upon b2, minus 3 upon minus 6, c1 upon c2, minus 8 upon minus 9. 1 upon 2, minus 2 minus cancel, 1 upon 2, and this is not cancelled out. 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 is not equals to 8 upon 9. तो जहाँ पर a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2 आता है, तो क्या होती है? Parallel. Therefore no solution. कोई solution नहीं होगा. So therefore inconsistent. और अगर coincident आएगी तो भी consistent होगी. ठीक है? तो rest part you do yourself because they are very easy, same like this. Okay, let us do question number 4. Okay, so question number 4, 5 we will do in next video because it will become too lengthy otherwise. So see you in next video. Thank you very much. Keep on practicing.